Afternoon and a warm welcome to this grand finale of this prestigious DB Deodhar Trophy from this beautiful ground in Sikkim, ground in Pondicherry. It's the final between South Zone and East Zone.
Mayank Agarwal it is who is going to flip the coin.
Head.
Heads is a call.
Heads is a call.
Tails.
Tails it is.
We'd like to bat first.
Ball one of this finale. And first runs of the finale. Short and wide outside off stump. That is an absolute gift for Rohan Kunumal.
यहाँ से चांस लेना होगा और चांस भी लिया रोहन कन्नुमल ने. बाउंड्री मिली यहाँ पर, लेकिन ऐसा भी गुस्सा नहीं दिखना चाहिए. इतनी विड्थ देंगे, बॉल जाएगी बाउंड्री के बाद. पहला 6 रन रोहन कन्नुमल के बल्ले से.
Outside off stump, foolish, little bit of room is all Mukhtar Hussain gave, and that is creamed over covers.
हवा में खेल दिया है, ऊपर देखा और कवर के ऊपर से खेला है. देखना कि बाउंड्री के पार जाएगा और बाउंड्री के पार जाता हुआ 4 रन.
Pulled away imperiously. One bounce into the fence. Is played away wide of mid-on here. Another boundary, and that boundary will bring up his 50. Terrific effort this, the captain acknowledging it. And Ace congratulating his opening partner. Good start provided by these two openers, and Kunumal has been exceptional. Takes the aerial road and gets another boundary. That's Kunumal.
That could go all the way. That's fiercely hit, tossed up under the bat. Or you can do this. Step out and hit it over long off. It doesn't matter where the fielders are.
किस तरह से कदमों का इस्तेमाल किया, और अच्छी बात यह कि गेंद की लाइन में नहीं कूदे.
हाथ में
6 again. This will be runs, a little leg spinner. And with that, it will be 50 and beyond for Mayank Agarwal. Another superb knock from the skipper, the run machine. That's another big one. As he cleared it, he has. And that's his 100. What a knock from this special cricketer. 68 ball 100 in the finals of the Deodhar Trophy.
और इससे बढ़िया मौका हो नहीं सकता था. आपने कुछ कर दिखाया भी, तो कहां कर दिखाया फाइनल मुकाबले में.
Going over the top, but this time the field is coming underneath it, and that's the end of a fantastic innings. Rohan Kunumal.
छोटा बॉल ऊपर खेलना चाहते थे, सीधा खेल दिया मिड विकेट के हाथ में, लेकिन कोई गलती नहीं. बढ़िया कैच.
Oh, that's beautiful. Little bit of a nick and he's gone.
हल्का भी फेंका, टर्न भी मिला और एक अच्छा कैच भी. खुश हैं, और क्यों ना हो. एक महत्वपूर्ण विकेट अपनी टीम के लिए अर्जित करते हुए.
Nicely struck down the ground. Has it gone the distance? Yes, it has. I did mention he can play big shots. That's an example there. And this one is in the air and taken. A good effort from the East Zone skipper. Gets rid of the left-handed Raidu. A wicket for Shahbaz. Dragged it short and is dispatched over the rope. It's a clean hit from Jagdishan.
और ये तो जब तक बल्लेबाज के पहुंची तब तक उसको न्योता दे रही थी कि आप जहां मारना चाहे मुझे मारिए.
Looking to go big, the fielder coming underneath it, and he takes it comfortably. Another wicket for Riyan Parag. End of KV Arun Karthik. It's not easy, and that's a superb effort this from Riyan Parag. Brilliant effort that from the young man.
That's a beautiful shot.
लेकिन अगर लेग स्टंप के बाहर यॉर्कर की कोशिश करेंगे तो नतीजा यही होगा। 50 रन पूरे हुए जगदीशन के इस बाउंड्री के साथ।
It's been an outstanding knock. Generally opens the batting for Tamil Nadu. He's more comfortable there.
इस बार खेल दिया है हवा में, फील्डर वहां मौजूद, एक आसान सा कैच होगा।
That's a brilliant knock from this player. That's another big hit. And that's gone all the way.
कमाल का शॉट, धीमी गति का बॉल और खेल दिया। ये टिपिकल पिछले बल्लेबाजों के शॉट है।
That's up in the air. Is it enough? Has he cleared it? No, the rope. What about the rope? He's got his hands on his head. Is it out?
वैशक आउट हुए। 8वां विकेट का पतन हुआ साउथ जोन का। 50 ओवर की समाप्ति के बाद 328 रन 8 विकेट के नुकसान पर।
With the new ball, it's going to be with what? Kavirappa. Oh, that's the wicket. Oh, he's dropped it. Could have been the first wicket for Kavirappa. Oh, Kunumal, you have dropped a sitter here. Outside edge, and that's the first wicket for South Zone. That's a good shot. Up and over. Enough legs to get to the boundary.
लीजिए एक बार फिर ये गेंद बाहर छोड़ती हुई जाती हुई, बैट्समैन ने हल्का सा छेड़छाड़ करने की कोशिश करी और लग गया एक बार फिर बाहरी किनारा। अब की बार कोई गलती नहीं वहां, बढ़िया पिक किया था लेकिन उससे भी अच्छा कैच।
Good cricket here.
Giving the charge to the medium pacers and getting a boundary.
और ये खेल दिया है शॉट और ये तो बहुत दूर जाएगा, बाउंड्री से बाहर 6 रन के लिए।
Kavirappa giving him the length that he was looking for and also the opportunity for some relief. Straight down the ground, that's hit powerfully by Saurav Tiwari. Nicely played. Straight down the ground, that'll beat the fielder.
Oh, what a catch! What an unbelievable catch! That was going at the speed of knots, and you can watch a lot of cricket, but you might not see a better catch than this one. That's a glorious shot. That is class for you.
Beautifully played by Riyan Parag. In the air, and he'll pick up a wicket here. Sai Kishore does the trick for South Zone. Garami, who's been living dangerously, this time in control of it, and he just swats it away for a boundary. Oh, this is asking for trouble. He's smashed it over the line. A 4 followed by a 6, and that 6 takes him past the 50 mark. Successive centuries, and then followed it up with a half century. And if this is how they're going to bowl at him, and if he pulls off shots like this, he may well go on to make his third 100 as well.
That's a huge one. He's been waiting on the back foot, and that's out of the ground. That's in the middle of Riyan Parag's bat.
छोटी डिलीवरी और वहीं पर जहां फील्डर भी मौजूद था उसके ऊपर से, और ये कॉन्फिडेंस दिखाता है, ये फॉर्म दिखाता है एक बल्लेबाज की। बहुत बढ़िया सोच, अच्छा टाइमिंग, समय था उनके पास ये शॉट खेलने का।
That's a big shot. That's his ability.
ये शॉट्स बहुत खेले हैं। छोटी डिलीवरी जो कमर हाइट पे है उसका नतीजा यही होगा। ये शॉट बहुत बढ़िया खेलते हैं, समय बहुत है और तालमेल बैट और बॉल का बढ़िया।
Yep, he has. That'll go for 4.
खराब गेंद का इंतजार करें और ये तो बाहर मार दिया है.
He's got enough power in that shot to clear the boundary easily. Exceptional batting from this young man.
That won't be enough if they keep dishing out short stuff like this. And if Riyan Parag keeps dispatching the ball over the rope time and again. Quicker delivery, he thinks he's got him. Was there a nick on it? No! Parashan Joshi had a long look and then he declared Riyan Parag like before.
Review लीजिए.
Pitching outside off, impact in line and wicket sitting. Going back to Parashar on field. Parashar, stay with your decision of out. You are on screen signal out now.
That's a big hit. He will clear the boundary easily. High and handsome to get him past the 50.
अकेला रह गया तो क्या क्यों घबराता है, और भीड़ में रह के वैसे भी कहां कोई नाम कमाता है. अकेले खड़े रह के मैच जिता के जाने का मजा ही अलग है.
Goes big and does it well too. Another sixth is from the young man.
विद द टर्न खेला ये शॉट. घुटना नीचे लगाया, गेंद की उछाल के नीचे आए और पूरा दमखम लगा दिया उस शॉट में.
Goes big down the ground, another six here. Goes big, there's a fielder getting underneath it and he catches it. This was the wicket they needed and they've got it. Very unfortunate.
लाजवाब एक बार फिर, अब की बार विकेट कीपर.
He's hurt, but he's enjoyed that one. That's a superb catch. He doesn't have enough. He will hold out and long off. And Shahbaz Ahmed also leaves. Has that gone all the way? Has it? It's going to be a borderline one. It is a six. Oh, that's gone straight up in the air. Is somebody coming underneath it? Somebody is. That's an outstanding catch, and that's how Southern have been all season. That's what it means to them. That's how they have good. That's how good they have been.
तारीफ करनी होगी साउथ जोन की, उनके कप्तान की, जिस तरीके से उन्होंने क्रिकेट खेली है, लाजवाब. और एक नजर डालते हैं इस आखिरी विकेट के ऊपर, जिसके साथ आप ये देवधर ट्रॉफी जीतने में कामयाब रहे. बढ़िया कैच. आज एक आसान सा मौका जरूर गंवाया था, लेकिन इस बार कोई गलती नहीं करी वॉशिंगटन सुंदर ने वहां पर. जगदीशन खुश है, और वो भी क्यों ना. बहुत बड़ी उपलब्धि साउथ जोन के लिए. पहले दिलीप ट्रॉफी जीते और अब देवधर ट्रॉफी पर कब्जा.
All these men, Rohan Kunumal, Washington Sundar, all have played their part in this victory. But these men can also hold their head high. They've just lost 2 games to the same opposition.